Welcome to Careless Coder, another very quick special effects video, Edible Blood. Motherfucker! Psst, psst, just between you and me. I actually once mixed up a fake badge, put it in my mouth and coughed up blood when my ex-fiancée asked me whether we went to visit her parents. Oh, fun. I don't think I feel so good, honey. I don't think I can go to your parents. My ulcer is acting up. That's why she's my ex-fiancée, because her father said I had a bad influence on her. What is he on about? So this is a quick video. That movie that I was working on with the props that I made in the other 2 episodes requires 2 actors tomorrow to cough up blood and have blood near the eyes. Now usually we use this stuff. I buy them in a 6-pack for 60 euros and an individual bottle goes for 11 euros. And it looks awesome, but the problem is it contains chemicals that do not allow you to put it in your mouth or near your ears. So we must make an edible version. And this is the worst kept secret of the special effects industry, making fake blood with Cairo corn syrup. Now ironically, corn syrup in America is dirt cheap, but this bottle over here is 7 euros in the Netherlands, while this already pre-processed is 11 euros. And I still need chocolate syrup and food colorings. It's really expensive to make it. But yeah, rather spend a couple of euros than have somebody die of some toxic reaction, right? I mean, even though we call this pancreatic cancer in a bottle. It's not good for you. And I figured out why this is so expensive in the Netherlands, because this is the light version. It contains 0 grams high fructose corn syrup, Cairo corn syrup. So it doesn't contain corn syrup, but it is corn syrup. Right, let's jump in. So this is that first batch that I mixed up for the blood coughing gag. As you can see, it's still a bit sticky, because I knew I was going to put it in my mouth. That's what she said. And it would mix with saliva and the heat of my mouth. It would make it more runny. So let's mix up a new batch. You first start with as much corn syrup as you need fake blood. And then I add kupu kupu food coloring, the dark yellow and the dark red. I first start with a nice bile yellow base. And then I add the dark red. This is basically red velvet food dye. That is the best. So we mix that up, and as you can see, it's very red and very translucent. So this is where the chocolate sauce comes in. Now this Dutch chocolate sauce is a lot more runny than the American stuff. So this allows you to creep up on the color a lot easier. And I really do creep up on the color. I keep checking it. Now this is too red. I still need to add more. And it's not necessarily red as it is translucent. Yeah, we're getting there, just a little bit more. And this also is a matter of taste. And it also depends what type of blood. There's very red blood and very dark blood. Now this is a color that I like. This is palatable. Now we need to dilute it, and I use a little bit of water, like a teaspoon at a time on this quantity. And this also comes down to what you require. If you want a nice runny blood, add more water. I think I want a bit more runny this time. So just a tiny dash more, half a teaspoon, not even that. And now I need to darken it up again, because the water actually took away some of that darkness. Yeah, I like the consistency and I like the color. So mixed up in minutes. No, mommy, I'm fine. I could go to school. So there you have it, fake edible blood. I figured that you may like this. One tip, if you mix it up for your video, mix it up on set with the actual lighting. Start with a red and then add the chocolate syrup to darken it to the color that you need. Because it's easier to make it darker than to make it redder. And actually it's the chocolate syrup that makes it taste palatable, because the corn syrup, oh my god, that is really pancreatic cancer in a bottle. It can't be good for you. Oh my god, that's so sweet. It's terrible. Actually, that's a conspiracy fact now. They created this corn syrup shit to kill off 50% of the people in America. Trust me. And they did a great job, because everybody is getting fatter these days because of corn syrup. Now, don't tell anybody else that, but David Icke told me this, so it must be true. I hope you learned something, and see you in the next one.